You're not no lion. You're a sheep. See, in business or either in your finances, what you need to understand is if you are a lion, lions do not negotiate. They have contingency plans. Picture yourself in the African wild. And you're looking for a young gazelle, a zebra, or something to munch on, to devour, to eat. Do you see lions go, well, let's negotiate on this. Let me go back and forth on this, and you take a loss and I take a loss. Now see, if you want to think about the art of negotiation, if you want to think about business, if you want to think about being a lion versus a sheep, then the one thing that you need to understand is, as a lion, you do not negotiate. You have a contingency plan. What does that mean? When you're going inside of a deal, automatically you know what you want, and the other person, the gazelle, the zebra, already know what they're not going to give you. So you need a contingency plan, because a lion may go after a wildebeest, go after a gazelle, go after a zebra, and fail 5, 6, 7 times. But when it does catch one, it's that big deal. It's that big moment. It's that big payoff. So the question is, which one of you? Are you a lion or are you the sheep going into a deal to get slaughtered? See, a lot of times we go against our principles. We go against the things that we wrote down, the things that we all subject to know, meaning you already know what you want. So instead of having a contingency plan, meaning if I can't take out that huge wildebeest, then I'll take out this young gazelle, the one that's limping behind, the young gazelle. You have to be a freaking lion in business, because if you're not a lion, then you're a sheep. See, there's always someone who's willing to step on you, willing to pounce on you, willing to bounce on you, willing to tear you apart because of the things that you will not do. Now, some of you are saying, well, I'm ethical, I'm moral. They're not. The only thing that I'm going to tell you to do is be legal in your dealings. Either be in your finances and or business, which are synonymous, which are essentially one and the same. So again, don't be a freaking sheep and putting yourself out to slaughter, because sheep does what? They get walked into the pasture. Wildebeest are just there in a group, in a herd, and they're like everybody else. What does a lion do? The lion goes out and it scares the hell out of everybody, and it gets exactly what it wants. And sometimes, if you're a lion king, you don't even go hunting. You don't even have a contingency plan, because you send out the young cubs. You send out the female lioness to do all the hard work. And the only thing you need to do is protect your assets. See, that's what a lion does. It just protects its assets. See, when it's young, it's with the pack. It's learning how to hunt. It's learning how to do contingency plans. It never negotiates. So when you're thinking about negotiating and you're not getting what you want, I want you to have a second thought about that deal. I want you to have a second thought about that financial transaction. Because all the while, someone is spinning and grinning like, ha ha, got this sheep, got his ass again. But all the while, you should be the lion that's waiting for the right moment. And you are pouncing, you are crawling, you are scraping. Then at the last moment, rah! Got that ass, and you'll make the perfect deal. Learn money and be inspired. I'm out.